Now, your forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
All right, hey, welcome back in. High temperatures today felt pretty good for us across the board. We had some cloud cover and a few showers early this morning, and then things opened up for us in the afternoon with a little bit of sunshine helping some spots into the low to mid 80s, something we're going to see a lot more of here in the forecast over the course of the next several days as we continue in this slightly cooler than average theme the rest of the way. The next 3 days for your weekend include Friday and Saturday both posting about 84 with a couple of spotty showers or storms. I think Friday will be mostly dry for most of us. Saturday could see a line of activity roll through. Better chances for that are going to be across eastern Kentucky. And then Sunday, 82. Gorgeous, less humid. It's going to be a fantastic day, the best day out of the weekend by far. With that, we do still have a little low and a system planted just across Kentucky right now. Not doing much to kick up any storms here, but there's activity firing up across Tennessee that might leak into southeastern Kentucky by early tomorrow morning. A couple of spotty showers can't be ruled out there as we go through it. Now, it's clear on satellite radar close to home right now. As we watch Futurecast, though, over the course of the rest of tonight, there's a couple little spotty showers clipping our southern counties here for us early tomorrow morning, then through eastern Kentucky tomorrow afternoon. Spotty chances pop up for us again throughout the day, but very hit or miss. I think most of us probably avoid anything tomorrow at all. With that, then we go into Saturday. A new cold front's going to start to swing in. That cold front is going to bring a complex of showers and storms our direction and likely fizzle them out before they get here through midday. So the first half of Saturday does look dry. The second half, though, could pop up a couple of isolated to scattered showers and storms along that front. Notice how in this run, it's starting the opportunity just on the west side of 75 and then pushes most of it through eastern Kentucky. Mid to late afternoon and through the evening are the best timing chances for that. And then we clear out behind it, opening things up to a mostly sunny to partly cloudy Sunday. With that, though, Saturday could boast 1 or 2 strong storms. There is a level 1 out of 5 risk for isolated severe weather in the green shaded region. We'll likely see some slight adjustments to that into tomorrow and even Saturday morning, wind being the main threat and then heavy rainfall to go along with it. But again, I don't think everybody gets in on this. It's going to be rather hit or miss as that comes through. Behind that cold front's the next big thing. Watch as our muggy meter starts to just spread right into the pleasant category for us throughout the night on Saturday, and by Sunday we're talking about dew points in the 50s. That's going to continue in the first day or two of next week as well. It also brings us that very subtle fall-like feel as that low digs in. There's the colder air coming in behind it, less humid. Daytime highs might not even make it to 80 Monday and or Tuesday. A couple overnight lows possibly in the 50s for us as well. Before that high pressure starts to inch back our way, helps us build some heat as we go into the middle of next week. That also will prompt a chance for maybe a few spotty storms again through next midweek, but until then, a nice little cool break sounds like a good idea.
All right.